Hello guys, welcome back to the Python crash course. In the last video, we have learned about variables as well as data types. So in this video, we'll be learning about Python operators, so which are essential for performing calculations, comparisons, and writing logic in our programs. So let's get started. So what are operators? Operators are special symbols or keywords in Python so that let us perform operations or variables and values. So these are the tools that allow us to manipulate some data. For example, if we try to add two numbers, we use the plus operator. So Python provides various operators for different tasks and we'll go through the most important ones step by step. So let's get into different types of operators. So among that, first one is arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators, these are used for basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus division, exponential. So next comes logical operators. So logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So these are three: and, or, not. So next comes bitwise operators. So bitwise operators are the very most important operators. So like we have bitwise and, or, bitwise XOR, left shift, right shift, as well as negation. So we have relational operators. Relational operators are used for comparisoning. So we have double equals, not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal. And one more, we have assignment operator where we try to assign the value. So apart from this equal to, we also have some shorthand assignment operators like plus equals, minus equals, left shift equals, bitwise and equals. So these are the major five operators we use in Python. Apart from these five, there are also some other different operators which are exclusively present only in Python. Let's also quickly have a look at those. So membership operators. So membership operators works only on iterevals. So nothing but in as well as not in. So next comes identity operators. So where we compare the identities of two different variables. So is as well as is not. So let's check one by one each in next upcoming videos. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.